Hello guys, today I would like to tell you about my funny experience when I moved to a new school in 5th grade. It happened when I was in 5th grade during a school holiday. I was at school but actually it was supposed to be a day off. At the time, I was alone at first and then I met the security guard. I didn't know that there was no school that day because I didn't get the information. The funny things happened when I arrived at the school and saw that the school was very quiet. There were no students and no teachers. I felt confused and wondered why the school was empty. Then the security guard came to me and told me that it was holiday. I felt very embarrassed. After that, the security guard kindly took me home. On the way home, I felt shy but also started to laugh at myself. Nah, at the time, I felt confused and embarrassed, but now, when I remember that moment, I feel happy and laugh because it was a fun experience. Okay, that's all for my funny story from elementary school. What other funny story do you have?
When I was 11 years old and in 6th grade, my cousin Nia, my cousin's friend's villa, and I went to the market to buy some food and things like face powder and body lotions. The market was about 10 kilometers from my house. It was my first time going there without my parents. We went by public transportations, which we call PS or PS. At the market, we walked around and looked at many places. We had fun. After a few hours, we went home using the same minibus. We sat in the back seat. Next to us were two foreign tourists. They looked like a couple. Suddenly, Pila bravely talked to them in simple English. She asked their names, and they answered happily. Then Nia and I also tried to talk to them. We asked where they were from. I think they were from Canada. We talked during the trip, even though our English was not very good. We felt very happy because we could talk to foreign tourists. Soon, we arrived home after about 10 minutes. We said goodbye to the tourists and waved our hands many times, but something strange happened. The minibus did not move even though we had gotten off. We didn't we didn't think about it and crossed the street. Suddenly, the driver called us. You haven't paid yet. We were very surprised. Pila quickly went back and paid. All the passengers laughed at us. We felt very embarrassed and ran away. On the way home, we kept laughing because it was funny and embarrassing. Until now, I still feel shy when I remember that moment. When I see foreign tourists, I remember it and feel too shy to talk to them.
When I was in elementary school, I studied at SD Negeri 060934 Medan Johor. I want to tell a memory about friendship when I was in the 4th grade. At the time, I had four close friends named Adam, Putri, Stefani, and Mutia. The five of us were always together from the 3rd grade until we graduated from elementary school. One day, when we were about to go home from school, Adam gave us an idea to pick some water guava fruits behind the school. The weather was very hot that day, so the four of us agreed with Adam's idea. We waited until the school was a little quiet. Then the five of us secretly went to the backyard of the school. At the time, Adam and I climbed the tree, while Mutia, Stefan, and Putri collect the fruits that we threw down. After we had gathered many guava, suddenly the school guard came and shouted, "Hey, are you thieves?" Adam and I quickly climbed down the tree in panic. Our two friends who were waiting below had already run away because they were scared. I was very panicked, so I fell when I tried to get down, but I did not feel any pain because I was too scared. Then Adam and I ran to save ourselves. Finally, the five of us met again in front of the school. We laughed together while enjoying the weather guavas that we had taken. Now we are all adults, but whenever we meet, this moment always becomes a topic of conversation, and we still laugh when we remember it. Haha.
One of the funniest experience in my life happened when I was in the first grade of elementary school. At the time, I joined an education expo at my school for the first time. The event was very exciting because many students and teachers were there. The funny moment happened on the school stage. I was chosen to sing a song in front of many people. I was happy, but I was also very nervous and scared. When my name was called, I went to the stage. I only stood there and held the microphone. I saw many people looking at me, and I became very nervous. I forgot what to do and did not start singing. Some people laughed because I was just standing quietly. I felt very embarrassed and wanted to go down from the stage. Then I started to cry because I was too scared. Luckily, my teacher came to help me. She stood beside me and made me feel calmer. Finally, I sang the song, but I did while hugging my teacher and crying. It was very funny because I did not look like a brave singer. I looked like a small child who was afraid. Everyone laughed, but it became a sweet and funny memory. Now, when I remember that moment, I feel happy and laugh. It was embarrassing at the time, but now is one of my funniest memories.